showdown. One more on the way, but right now we got a comedy wrestling match.
Yeah, we got a big time, intentionally funny comedic wrestling match. Here's referee Robot Riley.
That's referee in comedy wrestling, Robot Riley. Here's a pro tip. He's Tilda Swinton's nephew.
That's right. What an actress.
Not everybody knows that. Just she was
not included in the naked
scheduled for one fall.
She'll leak soon.
All right, we got a match. Here we go. Scheduled for one fall. Here he is, the fancy lad. This guy was real disrespectful to everybody backstage. He's super wealthy.
He just jumped his dog on the floor very nonchalantly.
He used to be a street urchin, but he went back to his daddy, and his daddy's got a ton of money.
He gave her the rose and then took it back.
He's licking that lollipop with the wrapper still on. This guy,
he fulfills his name.
He's a weirdo.
Well, this guy right here, we didn't know who was going to be before, the mystery wrestler. This guy's name is Nick Fair.
Nick Fair! He used to be so huge in the 80s, and now apparently he's currently unemployed.
That's actually a bathrobe he's wearing. He used to have fancy bathrobes in the 80s.
Oh, he coming out with a fur coat, basically. And yeah, I like this guy. He's sort of working class. Well, he's not working right now. He's just unemployed.
He used to be rich. He used to fly on private jets.
He's here. I think he was under the impression he would get paid tonight. He just got 2 drink tickets. That's all he got.
Yep. I remember him from when I was a kid. He's great.
His intro's another 10 minutes too, so you need to grab a beer.
I mean, it's a long entrance and he does little with it, which is wonderful.
All right, looks like this match is going to start here. Riley rings the bell. Here comes the comedy wrestling match. Offering him resumes.
Those are resumes.
This guy's unemployed. He needs a job.
You got to pound the pavement. I get it. All right, do his trademark woo.
Special skills are his woo. Crust Punk hitting him with a checkbook. Hitting him with a checkbook. Real girly like hitting him with a checkbook.
That's the old school way to pay for things. Oh.
Clothesline with that checkbook.
Oh, he prances around now.
Nobody in this audience owns the checkbook. 2014. This match might be over.
This is a Venmo crowd right here, Chuck, and he kicks out.
Nick Flair kicks out. Audience kick behind Nick Flair.
It's a Chase Quick Pay crowd right here. Oh, big time chop.
Calls this the price cutter.
Count the moves per second here, folks. And he's doing his famous strut.
Oh, fancy lad's got a lollipop. He's stuck into the wall.
And now look, he's slapping.
He calls this the hissy fit. Look at him. He licked both sides of that lollipop and stuck to the wall with the lollipop and then had a hissy fit.
I mean, I don't want to call it lollipop.
Okay, can we get an intern on standby with a broom? We got
That exploded like a boss being shot in a John Woo movie.
lollipop everywhere.
And he's got the dog right there. He can't afford anything. And he beats him with the dog.
He thinks that dog is real too, which is what's fucked up about this whole situation.
I mean, even to beat up an effigy of a dog like that, it's pretty fucked up.
All right, fancy lad taking control of this match. Oh, low blow from Nick Flair. And the wig is off! The wig has come off! This might be the end because the wig is off!
If you bet plus 300 that the wig would come off, you won. That's my gamblers out there. Well, we got
Double wigs now.
He's going for the figure 3. He can't afford the figure 4.
Just a figure 3. He's trying to figure it out here.
Can he get it on? It's been a while.
He can't use his leg. He can't use that 4th leg. He can't pay for it.
It was a 4 back in the day. It's a 3 now. He's trying his best here. Riley's trying to... Well, let's see him try it one more time.
Yeah, here we go.
Here we go.
And hopefully this will have some sort of conclusion.
Riley's checking it out right there.
Is he going to tap out?
Is he going to tap out and end the match? We don't know.
No! Fancy
He
Leg
reverses it. Let's see if the...
Fancy Leg sees an opportunity to get his wig here.
And he's got him the dandelion right there. That's what he calls his move.
He's got him in the dandelion.
He likes the big flowers and goes, she loves me, she loves me not.
Yeah, that's the kind of dandy.
That's the kind of dandy he is. He's not gay or straight. He's just a dandy.
Oh, he's got a dollar bill here.
He's a rich boy. He carries around his dollar
Taunting
bill.
him with that money.
And he flops on the ground to grab the dollar.
Oh, look at this. He's doing a little prissy dance on him.
It's the prissy pile right here. Will he pile on him?
This might be it.
1, 2, broken lollipop.
That's pretty normal. Give it up for Tremaine. He's gonna sleep on this lollipop. Give it up for Nick Flair in case he just doesn't have enough money to win a match. Feel bad for that guy.
He tried. Referee Robot Riley helps by kicking pieces of the lollipop there.
I love this music. This is very, very dandy, this music.
Very dandy. What a match, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear for your hard-working intern.
Give it up for Tremaine. Riley's got to describe these resumes too. Well, this next team pulled off a big upset last week, but isn't an upset. They're a kick-ass team. You see him at Herald Night every fucking week kicking ass.
So, not an upset.
I don't know.
Who determines these things? They're making noise. They're hitting. They're coming in like Dennis Leary in 1991. Let's hear it for...